Kublai pi baro pi pejak RiKhasi channel. Nyuban lam shapi ya ka thup Khubor kini katiyo menta. Kipang ki bokong san. Prasnam hakabor Henry Dr. Mukul shimle ai ong menteri rangba Konrad sangma. Wengno ke MEECL ya ka load shedding. One toket menteri kena ya ki skul sarkar pedeng kum ka aspirational district. Doi ke hybrid yala ka jingim mensaw angut ki weipat. Sedang sakinohi kai SSA banyaki bandawa ya ketulap ke belasa san benai. Dawa penkut mador ka CORP ya kita clear bela syubret pathar hadut ke Surat ba National Highway 6. Shongkun kaleniam beding klam mintagsnam. Penlongi jialang halor ban penklan ya katnat kulit hakbabun bintang. Bat kibi di Khubor. Ini pai mentaj ki Khubor benya. Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad ke sama menhaga khatlai treatment tau benai naik tu mendakas nam arhajar arpuar ulapan pau ba kalong ke ka ba ithamula baka seng Trinamool Congress kan pen kelalong isu election ya ke kampen ya penbit put hapdeng Kejela Assam bat Meghalaya.
Ulong rubu Dr. Mukul Sangma ula don hakabor la prasnem Henry shimlale ru hakajing shisha ula de ban sngongu bat kemen baka sarkar MDA kala la ban penbit ya kanika kam.
It's very sad, I should say, that the Trinamool Congress has made this statement because, to be very frank, when they were in power for 8 years, they didn't do anything about it. And now when finally something has happened, they just simply want to undo it because maybe they were not part of the actual solution at that point in time. I don't know why they are feeling this way. I think they should take it in a positive manner and be happy that we have finally found a solution to a very, very complicated problem like this. And I was going through the statements that have been made by the opposition leader, and he mentioned that the proper surveys and the maps and the different kind of revenue maps should have been looked at. I just want to tell all of you that the maps and the reports that were made, I repeat this, and I think you asked the question also to him, is that these maps were made by them. And the reports that were submitted were those reports that were put in by them. Hence, if the revenue maps had to be seen, then they should have seen it in 2011-12. Now, after the maps and studies and the surveys were done by the government of Meghalaya, irrespective of the Congress government or a NPP government or an MDA government, the point is that the government of Meghalaya in 2011 went through the revenue maps, went through whatever maps, and submitted a report to Assam saying that these are the areas of differences. And now those same people are saying that we should go back to the revenue map. Aren't you, negating your own work in your own stand, the work that you did, the reports that you put in, now you're telling us why did we accept those reports? So it's quite strange that the opposition leader has made these kind of allegations, because if he is making allegations, then he's making allegations against himself only. Because we were not there when the reports were made. And now if he's asking us that why are we accepting and why did we work on the basis of the report that was submitted by him, and that we should not have seen those reports and gone through the revenue map, I think it's ridiculous. So he's just trying to make this an issue. For the last many years, months, they didn't make this an issue, and now suddenly, maybe because elections are coming, they're trying to find what's happening, what's there, what issues to bring up. Maybe they're making this an election issue. I would urge them that these are not the kind of issues that one should look at. You look at development issues, different issues that are there concerning the people. But an important issue like this border issue, a document which was made by him and submitted by him, and based on that document, we got 99.9% strike rate in terms of the areas of differences which we had with Assam. He put those documents, he said that these are the areas of differences, and we worked on that report, and I'm happy to tell you that 99% of those areas have come with those villages, 99% of those villages have come to Meghalaya. So I don't think he should try to make that an issue, and I would urge all of you also to make sure that the right message goes to the people, that whatever the demands were there by Meghalaya, whatever reports were put in, we have got 99% of the villages have come to Meghalaya, and I think people are happy, and we should ensure that this deal is completed, this process is completed in terms of the second phase, because the people of the state have suffered for too long, and I urge the opposition that these are not the kind of issues that one should play politics with. These are very important. People of the border area have suffered, and we have only tried to resolve an issue which has been pending for so long, and we're happy that with the support of Government of India and the Government of Assam, that we have been able to reach to this point.
Ka Meghalaya Trinamool Youth Congress menhaka khatsantrik minta ubnai naitung kalawer ya kisamla jongkani ka jela bakin yapnya so eladi batkani ka sengsan perthei.
Habakre bikla pathai Khubor President ka seng ba Fernandez Sakhar ulong ba ka Trinamool Congress kadon ka jingthu ban penrung kumbashi hajar word kisamla hamala ka wei pakawei ka constituency ulong ba da ka sur jong kisamla onla ban kado ye ki jingle bakala jong ka sarkar.
We have been in the fray of politics since when I have been 16 years in politics. So we are trying to target at least maximum of 1,000 youth from minimum 1,000 youth from each and every constituency.
If you're looking at the current situation, what is happening in the state, I think there's a lot of deficiency. Our youths are being deprived. So to bring about a change, I think we have to be the change ourselves first. We can see thousands of vacancies and thousands of our youths being unemployed right now. So, like I've said, I think to bring about a change, we have to be the change ourselves first. So we would like to once again invite our youths to be the change ourselves first.
We have seen in your coverage also that even the party within the government itself, they are blaming each other. See, there is one Facebook page which was run by, I guess, by the BJP, Meghalaya with Modi. They are questioning the corruption done by this government, and they are still in the path of the government. What is really amused with them? They are with the path of the government and they are questioning the government. So they have been playing to their lip service for so many years now. It has been 4.5 years. So I don't know that na khane dunga na khaunga, that campaign by our Honorable Prime Minister is just a lip service, it seems. They have seen the corruption is going rampant in Meghalaya. The construction of each and every building is in shady and shoddy manners. I don't know why they cannot send an investigation team after so many. And now today I just read in it is a partial investigation has been placed of that doom, which the doom of assembly has collapsed. So we'll take this, we'll take on the street also. When it's demand, we will give you the proper information when and where to do all the protests also.
Udipayan Chakraborty ubade Vice President Jongkaseng BJP Meghalaya ulong bakaje shur bakaje phejing mot apring uba sanbor shulai baruba AL hang kariga kam po ying Jongkaseng BJP kabala ban pinya be hapo dakabaso.
This is an internal party matters. They have something pain in them. They have revealed it wrongly in the media. But I think it is we can resolve it very easily. I have been telling for a long time that Bahek and Bashanbor is part and parcel of the party. They will continue to be with the party, and they are a soldier of the party under the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's all good works they appreciate. So we will resolve it.
But so, Bashanbor's statement, according to his statement, Bahek has been involved in anti-party activities.
No, it's not like that. See, anti-party activities everyone can or anyone can say, but it has to be proved by the disciplinary committee. I cannot just accuse anyone for doing anti-party activities or anything. But it is too early to say who is doing anti-party activities or not. I have personally not seen Bahek doing any anti-party activities. He is a part of the party and he is working for the party. As well as Bashanbor is a very good-hearted man, and he is also working his best for the people of South constituency. So I think we will resolve it.
How is the BJP going about resolving this?
That is internal part. We will have to talk to them. We have to discuss in our party forum, and I don't want to discuss it in the forum of the meeting.
So coming to the incident which started it all, in the orchid incident, what is the stand of the BJP about what Sanbor did?
No, I don't like to comment on that.
Ka National People's Youth Front ka badai ka tanat jong ki samla ka seng NPP manak si balang jong ka Taiew ki lapan syai halor ka jing syakem ki nong syong snong ka jela Meghalaya ba ka jing mi ki jing kulmar ha tera bari sektor ba ka dei na ka daw ba ki arpo percent na ki nong syong snong ki bakwa ban pinya sno elade bat ka jela Assam ki lakan syat ki bai pat ki prapo percent ki bakwa ban yanya esa bat ka jela Meghalaya ba kin ne bat ka jela Assam.
Hadian belami ke Jingkulmar kini ki bakwa bane ke jala Assam ki ai de Ijahar Shaboko Police Station bat kumta sa syakem ki laingut ki bakwa ban wan ke jala Meghalaya. Habakran halor kini uba ba jopping group ubade unong aiktin juga NPYF ulang badai kini ki bakwa ban led berka Assam. Baki benu ki jingmentoy ki baki yo na ke sarkar Assam baki sakin shot ki bakwa ban wan ke jala Meghalaya baki led batch ke Assam badai na kani ka daw sambi ke Jingkulmar. Kajing kam jiki kat tu kat ni gelar patai Khubor bagi jing syakem kadai namar kajing penbor deki pulit bagi penyeso bat kejala Assam kelong ka babakla ongoba bajob shushu lai thu bah kajing shisha kani kat bari sektor kam ju hap shu Meghalaya bar kim ju thap vote ru shakajala Meghalaya haki election MLA MP bat MTC
Yalet shakaba menshwa hakaba in kedau ba kani kat Tarabari sektor kaba kini ke sektor ke badan kumba South Point Henry Kundai square kilometer barok hui kini sektor kat kum ke MOU kelawan mulut sepok ka Jala Meghalaya kanir ke sektor kumno ngi thau banyo kalong ba yang tu ke map ke ba laai de ke sarkar MUA 1 haus nam arja khatway tikila kedau lang ya kini ke Tarabari sektor ba kedai kata ka area of difference Tengi sodan bok awat bagi nak ayok yang ni Tarabari sektor bah kelas kentup Meghalaya. Di kenyat ngaskuan pun suatu pat-pat. Nomor bah kani ka jingnong jingman hang tu kalong kompleks hadu kata-kata bah akapor bukilik ki regional committee hapok ka Tarabari sektor. Ki pat-pat nong song hapok ka Tarabari sektor meno-meno kim ju thap vote hapok ka Jala Meghalaya. Kishnong ki badan ka Tarabari sektor hilaban cross check bat ka election commission ya ke electoral roll hilaban cross check bat ka AD rule jong ka district council constituency jong ka motion road ba meno kini kishnong ki badan ka Tarabari sektor kimju dan po Jala Meghalaya henry ngi sodan bokpat hadin kani ka jinge penbait akane ka first phase kani ka Tarabari sektor kala one road chapo ka Jala Meghalaya South Point Henry Kundai square kilometer Te kajing apa ke bumi kita kajing kelumar kam dei kata ka ba kadaw ba create ka state jong ina ka state of Assam ki create hi ki pat ba hang tu po sno namar ba por bon ka regional committee na 60% ki pat ba nong shnong jong Tarabari sektor prapu persen ki hla ba ki omba ki ko adan po Jala Meghalaya kata ka sya arpo persen pat ki ba yo ya ka benefit na po Assam ki Persyang ban kensyat biang kini ki prapo persen hadin lasanya ke MOU ban ong bet ba kinwan bet apa Assam makini ki arpo persen kumbangitip apa Assam ki dan tahu sambit gabura basyat sil dah tulap sarkar tin hakitu ki group jong tu arpo persen kemud ki benut yang kata kajing sil jong Assam na takda kemud ki kentu ya kini ki pelak menjur panwan sepok Meghalaya ban le biasa Assam Te hakata kajing ya kelas ke jong kini ki prapu persen ki bakwa banda Meghalaya bat arpu persen kami kajing ya kelumar. Tinggi tip syai bahwa ke MOU la adat ban sign. Henry ka demarcation kadang sa. Ka demarcation long ka joint survey jong ka survey of Meghalaya, survey of Assam, bat ka survey of India. Te kajing jang tu kalau ba kini ki prapu persen pat ki nyon ni kini ki 40% mi ke jingkrumar. Te hadir mi jingkrumar kini ki 40% pat ki badang support be ka Assam ki file ya ka FIR support buku
Menteri Ketenat Boarding Jong Kejala Meghalaya menhaga khatway terik minta ubnai ula pentip baka sarkar kala shim ya karai banweng no ya kajing pelip laj lani ka load shedding ka basau kenta man nakasni.
Haba pentip ya kani uba preston ula yathu baladab banshna ya ki Southly ki unit Jong ki project boarding ki bathut hakini ki sngi ki Taiew baladab.
That load shedding will be lifted from today midnight, and we will try our best that load shedding will no longer be there, even in the future, in the near future, in the state of Meghalaya. See, why we have to take this unpleasant decision to go for load shedding for 4 hours a day. I think you are all aware. The units that we have has broken halfway, and then I'm happy to tell you that now out of 4 units, 2 units now is fully restored, and 1 unit from OTPC also has been restored, and 1 unit also from NIPCO, it has been restored. Therefore, ultimately, after calculating all the requirement in terms of million units, so we decided today to lift the load shedding with effect from today midnight in the state of Meghalaya. So number 2, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the residents of the state who jointly suffered with all of us, with the corporation, with the government, who really bear the brunt of load shedding. But my humble request to all of them is, please cooperate, work together with the government, work together with the officials of the MECL, because we all know the machine is the machine. Sometimes it breaks down anytime, any moment. Though in the middle of the monsoon, where generally we don't have load shedding at all these years, but it so happened this time. All the 4 units broke down, and not only the 4 units of the MECL, but 2 units. One is the unit of NIPCO, and one is the unit of OTPC, which was also broke down.
Menteri Kenak Sarkar Pedeng Ubedin Pet Ya Ketenat Power and Heavy Industries Christian Pal Gurjar menakasi balang jong Taiew ulawan menjengok ya Karibhoi District kabalayor ya kanam kum ka aspirational district na kabentaban pet ban khmi ya ki kampenroy.
Kani ke jingwan jong u kalong man pet ban khmi ki kampenroy bar kumjuru ban aiman sim ki officer je Ketenat Sarkar beper na kabenta bandang ya treasure hem kumba Karibhoi ka de gawai ni ki district hakari kabala Taiew step Kabadan ruh kekedan kebesan na pedang kesiswa khas santali ki aspirational district hakari India. Na kaliang uniu menteri ula lumru ya borok ki officer na Ketenat Sarkar hakajia lang kabla long conference hall ke office of deputy commissioner hakajia don lang uba BJ Kharshandi additional deputy commissioner Karibhoi district bar ki wei rangba officer. Habukren chikinong tho Khubor Christian Pal Gurjar ula penpau ke jingsong kemen ke bakrau. Banyu i ba Karibhoi district kade ka wei na pedang ki aspirational district kabla kiu shaplang habaro kiliang bar khamtam kabla kiu rush ka kedan ka basan ha Karibro ka wei ha ka beidei bar ka delta ranking bar kabla yo bar ru ka kedan ka beningkong house name arjar khakandai ha ka beidei bar ka health and nutrition ka belong ka jingsarong ka bakrau ka district bar ka jalahi bro ka wei ulo angru halor ka tei ka naam bar ka jingla ban pentre kami ki scheme sarkar na kaliang ka niti ayok kala penmang ru ki khusna mar ki scheme ki babon na ka banta ka ni ka district hagani ka jog sngi na kaliang nu menteri ro lejru banya merjing mud ban lejingo ka aganwadi center hashnang umdihar bar kumjuru ka health and wellness center kabadan hashnang umsau nong kharai
den kaliang jingi la pau ba Karibhoi district hi kadai na kiwe ki aspiration district ki ba pustaka India klajit kerpang pat kadon tang ni kuwe district hi hakani ga jela Meghalaya hi pro kuwe ke katkum ke jeng pentip jeng minister yong ba hausnam arjar kanrio katkum ke data jo UNDP ka ranking jo India kadon sedin bha ga bidai pat roi kepat den nakani ka tau nakaliang jong u prime minister badon brom jongi u Shri Narendra Modi ji Te ulawara ya kene ke konsep mar usul tu bagi don kini ki shispa ka santli ki districts hakaba roi kapar kadang duna bha te kumno ber kenti ki takadau ki penbi ya kene ka program bagi kot ke aspirational district program te nagaliang jong minister ulai thu ba nadu ba kasdang kene ka aspirational district program ni for Riboy district te usnam arjat hak kendai ka Riboy district kalayo ke benekong hak kalayo karang ke benekong ada bedai pada basic infrastructure hau ju usnam ru kalayo ya karang ke benekong ada bedai pada health and nutrition te hau jun arjat akwe ru ka Riboy district kalayo karang ke benekong ada bedai pada education bat kalayo ru ke kusnam dengan niti ayo ke bedai syukro tingkang di hadin kataru ka niti ayung ru kalai nomor ki bun ki ranks ki lawan syakbat hal bedai pada Riboy district kalayo ru kunju bawak mani ke bedai south pro tingkang ti hau usnam arjar akuar kakum ke delta ranking jong usnam te ka kani ke Riboy district lawan ke position ke besan bat humi arjar akuar ha ka bedai pada basic infrastructure ke Riboy district kawan ke position ke baar bat ka bedai pada education kawan ke position ke ba sang te kakum kucing ong jong minister yong ba hakini ki samtli ki indicator di bakam kongsan te ka district hi kakum gani review mengilayo taksi ke district hi kala le bha hakini ki samtli ki indicators te nakani ka daw ilayo ru banjo position beshkmat bodo kunju ki award money naka niti ayo te nakaliang i minister ru ila pentep ba kini ka singiru ilayo men review ya ki projects ki prepare ki ba implement lagi ni ki power sector companies kum kan nipko bat ka power grid bat nakaliang juga la kuntukun pam om tang ye kini ki power companies sendiri ki district officials ki bahap apa ka district administration to Riboy district hi bagi nang trejur susu nang ni shikmat kanang ba nginang la bat pekiu susu ye kini ki indicators ki ba kawan kham shedin bat ningyo ye overall ranking ke bawah ha kini ki benai bat ki besnam ki benang wan ban nakaliang juga jong iru la pukut ba kanipu hi ke headquarter kanang ne ni hapo shillong
iwe hybrid ila du eno ila ka jong gajing em bat arngot kiwe pat kila men saw hadien ba kila yo ban yo we u signar boarding electric uba khatwe kv ubla hapo ka klaw ka badan hajan MIDC ha ka shnong omyam block 6 Riboy district
ini hybrid ibaklat no la tip kerteng kum I mikinchi moment ibakhalai senam kerta kadba kibla mensaw ki kintup yai negri chi ai sangma khalai senam kerta bar ucucang ai sangma ba pras senam kerta kadkum ke jingte bela yo lum lo ong bakini ki hybrid ha ka step jaka khat atrik unaitung a haja arpuar ha ka por khari bejiyai kilami nela ka jaka sa banlet chikwe ka khlaw ka mamarjan banlet khit so phan henry ka basosi ka long bakila kumlet ban yai lingba ka jaka badan te signer electric ublahab hamadan tar hadu baka jingklan ka boarding kala kinjat yaki berkawai ka hybrid kala klat no hasyan bar arngut kala min saujur bar yakini ki bamin saw la penkit marmar sa civil hospital shillong nakaliang ka KSU umyam unit lingbau ba Marcus Nongklaw general secretary ula penram jur ka tanat MECL ka blashu e no kham dalit weng yu te signer boarding ublahab hamadan mentala bon benai tar hadu bakla wanra ekani ka jingja basosi
Hakoi pat ka jingja accident ka bashir khay laingot ki brio kilamen saujur hadien bakoi ka truck ya ka balapan hair step hada unongnya ningkong e ka lali bentenra ya ka bolero pickup hadien pat ya ka truck ka balapan yang harut surok kani ka jingja kala ja ha ka we neki sni jong kani ka tayo ha national highway 6 ka badan hajan maudiang hajan nongpo
Katkum ke jingtip bela yo lum lo ong bakani ke jingja accident kala jatang namar ke jingpen hair step pala do nongnya jokatrok ka badan yo number ML Khatway Highway Arsau ba namar ka jing hap slap hakate ka por kani ka trok kamla shu bante la kam yala di hagani ka jing jia langut ki briu kila men saw ki bakin thup unong nya ka trok yo bla tip kerteng kam ubante kinjing arpu arsenam kerta unong nya ka bolero pick up u ononto majhong arpu isnam kerta bar unong bot ka trok ka basha tanra u Ravi Kumar bar yakini baro langut la ra no marmar sa civil hospital nongpo banyo e ki jing sumar nakaliang ki pulit ka nongpo traffic branch kila poi chakani ka jaka ban pelong ka jing token
Kinong hikai SSA ke Jala Meghalaya hapo ka satri jong ka All Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association AMSSA SA menakasi thoding jong ka tayo kilale ben idor khas haulat ke Jala ban pensngawa khmaju ya ki jing e ki ba ki ya kendo
bat ha ka jiwan kendo ko juni im chim lala ban ya kendo mar ba im chim London ti kum tangi la shu submit tangki memorandum ki juni kum ga jing pen kan mau
halor ka memorandum ka bangi la dep submit teng ha ka santarik mentau nai tingi la wan ro ban ya kendo ya education minister tingi yo sio pat ba iru simladon ila don sedalhi tingi la shu submit tang ka memorandum kum ka jingkon kan mau halor ka tu ka memorandum ka bangi la dep submit ha ka santarik te kuman chu pan kan mau biang ba ha ka santarik mentau ubenai hi ngila don ka executive committee hang tipon khasi national darbar hall ha ka bangi la rai lang da ka wei ki jimbot ha ka ba ni kum ki no hikai ngia ka du chang he da koi ka po ha ka be dei ba ka jing siu ka jungi ka salary ka jungi kum ki no hikai te mentala san tli ki banai la kan thi mentala kan jo chan real ten rei na ka liang jo sarkar ka shongmen thi te man ba ki por ki bangia kan do ai da ki ni ki dau da ki te ki dau te kum ta na ka liang jo ki bohun ki no hikai ki jungi kum ka all megla SSA school teachers association ngi penpau lingba ka media ka jo phi ba ngi kum ki no hikai ngi sim ti e hadu ka ta te ha ka ne ka committee ki bangi la de long man ha ka ne ka santarik yo ban ai ki ni ki memorandum ki jungi she ki authority concern education minister ngila ai tenang ta ngila ai ru ya ka darkhas ka jungi sha u governor jong ka megla ka jungi ban pensgo ha u ya ka jing e ka jungi tenang kaliang ka jong u honorable governor ula simkhya ba ongan sa pensgo ha u chief minister anda bolwan pai sha ka jela tingila yo ru ban ai ya ka jingkar pat ka jungi ha u haiba al hek ibalong ru kum u chairman jongka central scheme monitoring cell jongka BJP megala te haka na ka benta kata te ila sgo ban simkhia adu kata ta ba ila kular yang ba inle ya ka badon kam ba ban rai ni ko Khubor shadu sha state shadu sha central ba balai ba hapo ka jela megala jungi kum ka ni ka jing e ka kai ka jabai
General Secretary ka seng ulo ang baka seng kala rai ba ka khatsan tarik unai tung arja RPR ken pulong ka sit in demonstration hajan ka additional secretariat ban pinsngoi ki jing e ki ba kinoi kai SSA ki kendo
tinam ta ska wei par ka benta ka ba ni shwa ban penpau ka long ba ka areas ka jungi ka ba naru snem arjar khandriu arjar khanyo hadu mataru kani ka sarkar kam pala ban release ka the ka areas ka long ka ba pratali ki banai te kum ta na kaliang jong ka seng ka jungi ni le rai lang da ka wei ge jimbut ba ngin yami perthai la ni ngin yami surok ban demonstrate ya kata ka protest ka jungi ha ka khatsan tarik mentau banai hang the po parking lot jong ka additional secretariat bangin pelong da ka indefinite sitting in demonstration kena ban pensgo ya sarkar halwa kita ki jungi te nakaliang jungi ikerpat ya ki parano hikai ki jungi lingba ka media ka jungpi bagi parano hikai SSA ki jungi kin simkhia ni batkin yale ban ya wanlang hakathe ka jialang ka jungi ka bagi perlong hakathe ka khatsan trek bunai Julai menta hang the po additional secretariat parking lot dadu ko por shipho baje hadu sau baje janme te kumbachu ya tho lang hang ne nakaliang jungi ngila coordinate ya kane ka program ko jungi na marba nakaliang jungi ngila la ban ya wer lang ru ya kane ka Augusta ka bomot ka all Garo Hills SSA School Teachers Association te ni tho re phi ba kane ka all Garo Hills SSA School Teachers Association ru kin ya don kat lembat ni ha ka te ka singi kum shibanta ban penpau ya kata kajing persya ane kajing susi kajungi halor kajing kuman joka sarkar
hagate ki juk asngi ki te ki juk ki no hikai ki las daman penlong ya kajing ki ke chongki haga jaka yang kali ke badan hajan additional secretariat
kadau ba bakini ki noi kai ki mi surok bandawa ya la ka hok kalong ba ka sarkar kam shim la sngo yi ki jingkar pat ki jongki ban palaj no ka tulab ka balasa mentara san banai Kinogalam kani kaseng kila om bakajia kren bakirangwa ofisa jakatrat puli puthi kamshim la penhun yaki namar kimla ban ai la ne pelaj yakatulop ka bakidei ban yo komda kaseng kala rai be ban ya chakmat yakani gajia khi
Nakaling jungi kan protes kin penyai di syakmat dimar babalai kumai la ne la khot ya kren ningi kamera jong usar ram thang pada inspektori jong education department rai kat kumai jingi kren bat i ngim la semla ban penyang mar bangi mentangi la pending ka selari jingi la san penai mentang te kajikular jingi mene melum melang long bong arbanai kin siu no ya kata katulop jongi bat ya kata ngam ap lakon lo sita yo warta yo de na taka daun nakaling jingi ka pelong artaten nemar wat ketika financial year ka barim jong u menai fek pada mai su adu mentai ke pasal la ban clear dan mentai ke om bagi tang ap ya kata kancing 1 point na central schemes kaban sapoi beng jong dengan installment fast installment din taka daun ngimla ban chania ya kata central kaban sapoi yang ni lano kan poi balano nyimtip ya kata ndrai ngisania government mengisania ai kino hikai baro bak karai baki lerai mene kin syong be yang ne ngin syong ang ne bat karai bakadu sim sibit janmin la kino hikai jingi kinong la iha batsa ang ne lingin continue ya kan ka agitation jingi lingin sim da kano karai ka syong jing rai lang jong borok kino hikai renak ling jong aku no yalam ngasauban sim collective decision bayak bang layo ya ka jikran na ki he jong education department ngim semuhun bat ngin pediang ngin num pediang ngin ya syakmat ya ka de jingi ki jungi
Pak, di kembagikan apa itu gini sama ini prosesnya. Ini keperluan bisa berbicara ban kawai ke grupannya. Sediman yang maju, nomor maju beriman. Kayak gimana?
Kata nak lagi jungi ngim tip ya ke daw di diman nak lagi jungi dan ngim bangidon arteli reba ya ke diman jungi ki diman ya ke bangilo iya memernam menherne ki diman ki ya ke enhancement but ya kata shifting of post to the government post. Ringi mentangi wan hangne kum ki teachers association nak lagi jungi dengan ke school association jadi ke jingi fair hang ta ngidon ba ka school ke yang lengba jong ka managing berkhoi bat ki school begindon lang hang ta ringi kum ki teachers ngidon tang ki teachers kum bangiwan hangne baro mti wan kerteng jong ka teachers association de kaiba kajing diman ki ke la ka jong bagi diman ni kita ke enhancement ya kata ka shifting of post ngiru ngidon kam ya kata hanre ka ba khmat wat ya kane ka balasa ka tulok jungi ka bainok tre ka jungi sat benai kim syabla patla ban siu dajing sang im don kam su ban mi surok nomor bangi la di lupa ki dong tre jungi bangi don kam ban up ban haban dawa ya ka tulok jungi ri baki la de ban tip kum ki kini ki pa ban penbiang ngi ki dong tre ngi ki kun ki badon ha kane ga government rai babalai bangi mi arteli ko mo mapi meki ki diman la ka jong ka diman ngi diman la ka jong ka diman rai menta ko bangi lawan mene bene kendu ya i secretary jong education ngi kendu lang ngi lang bangi la sim ya ka jong garai na ka leng jukiru kimhun ban na ka leng jukiru kimhun ya kata ka arbanai.
So it's up to the state government to approach the central government regarding our pending salaries. So we are demanding since last 5 months we are demanding our state government to release our pending salaries. However, the state government is reluctant to release our salaries. So we are compelled to organize this meeting. We are compelled to come out to the street and raise our democratic voices. So may I request our humble Chief Minister to look into the matter and just to release, just to work out to release our salaries as a Chief Minister of the state. So we as a teachers of the state, we cannot accept the releasing of 1 month or 2 months salaries within 5 months. So it is the state government is in the habit of releasing only 1 or 2 months salary within 5 or 6 or 7 months. So we are totally dissatisfied with this works of the state government towards as a teachers of the state.
Da ka jing sngo khia jing mot ka bajur halor ka jing torti ka jing klemakor ba ka jing bamdon jing kit kli ki pa nong shong snong ka berni hat ba rukum ju ki pa ba nong let nong wan ling ba ka surok ba national highway 6 ki blashu bret pathar ya ki jaklia harut ba chilinter ka te ka surok nakaliang jong ka confederation of ribhoi people CORP kalapan pa ka jing sngo khia bat ya ka jing persha ka bajur halor ka ne ka jing let klemakor jong ki pa ba ling ba ka te ka surok ba khamtam e ka badon ha ka snong bor Buin hakmat jongka jingking bernihat.
Haba pentip ikan ni cikinong thok Khubor usamla rolan lingdo we ne kinangalam ko Corp Ribhoi district ulai thu bagi dekhot ka seng kila lap pelen ya ka jinglong isai met ka te ka jaka ha ka baki jaklia kila shulang sata bat penmi ru wa de ka jingsma ka ba iutung ka bashir khei bha ulong bakani ka jingle ki paj ba kala pensni udur shika de ka jingtana jaka mai mariam bar ka khata ru shika de ya ka koi ka khia ju ki pai ba nong le nong wan kham ta mi ki khana school ki baji ya ling ba ka ne ka surong kumta na kaliang ka kop kala dawa mardo ne ki bor pnya chnong ju ka bernihat ne ki bor ki badai khmi ya ka khoi ka suba bakin shim khia mardo ar halor ka ne ka jingret pathare ki jaklia ha ka thai bernihat bar kumjuru ban pun khoi mardo re ki ne ki jaklia ki bla sata harut ka surong ba na bar ka jingbet jingbiang ju upai ba bon balang
na kaliang tunga kumu presiden jong ka confederation of the people jong kene ka longpo ka warni ngadon de sokya ka tau kolor kabaya dei betene ka bejibra pasar ki ne kane kane ke ba lale ni ka di longsong dukan lagi ni ki area ne kade ki ngom suku ya ka mariang lokumno bagin ne sa mariang khoj tenan kan le kane ka borni nang ne ka along ka get ka ba ki turis ki sedang bandrung suko ki ka state ka ba itnat jungi nang ne ki sisa ka de bandong ka ba itnat kane ka abang di page ki sotong sokon tangban mantang ni lap ni plastik ka bo ki bala 100 be ain da manor kane ka yu ka bo ki kalau ke bom so tenat ke bom ila ban pediang ka jing khoi jing suba jong ka sinong ka thau ka tam ne dei ba kane ka area ka de ka ba kham ka ba dangdon ki ding ka ba ki bri ki dang yo ban ring ban sim sa ni de ban so jana ba kumno begin pene ka mariang ba kane plastik kamlong ka ba I tenat dan leru e kane ka so ban dawajur e kini ki longsong dukan kini ki basong kane po area balata lap nang ne sakmat mano ki 100 ikini ki nyot ikini ki plastik hakane ka area dei ban penstom ki ka kum ka ai sama ba kane ka monra e ka jing coaching suba jong ka jing coaching kia po ka ne ka area ne ta hidap ka ya bajur ba habaladon ya kane ka dumping area ka jing sisa kini ki badai pej ya kane ka area ki lade ban simkhia mardor ba ya kini ki nyut lade ban weng iki de ban bu ban ra iki siki jaka badai ban brand aman ban subret kumne hampo highway hangne surok kumba PE pej ba adalah di lagi job smart kumba PE kini berni plastik kini ki nyut kini hangne kani ka pomla ban pen penne bensa ya ka mariang tungi kani ka sawal kan salong ko balong sigi ki major city ke pemburam ya ka jingko jingkia jing suba ini ada kes ke dalam jingko jing suba ya ka mariang tang kini nga sko ban kerpat bat nga sko ban kentui ki nong song snong ba nang nong ki don kade ban long ka jaka ka khoj ka nang nong ba pisong kade ban don ke jingko jingkia nang ladang idon ke jingko jingkia kade ka spa ka ba la ban kentiu yangi ha ki babun kiliang baladang im don ke jingko jingkia ka kamai jongi kanam don namar ba kini ki jingpang jing sistem ngan kan bu ya ka ding pengkiang ka im lang sa lang jongi
President Jongko All Meghalaya Poultry Suppliers and Retailers Association uba Wanshai Kharshandi haka press conference ka baloloman haka si thot ding Jongko Taiew ula khot ila wer ya baro kinong dis yar hapo ka jila bakin wan banya shimbenta haka training ka bansalong haka khat kindai treatment daw benai na ka benta bakin yo jing hikai ban board drinki yaki hukum kat kum balapan mi daka Meghalaya High Court
nga kada tentu EP baro kini ki nong khisia ki baju trai gini ka kam ba pen wan khnang sa gani ka training gini ka ji kai ka bangila bu kerpang na ka bata jong phi bang na ka jing mentoi ka jong phi hi but kumbang ila ya gini ki sungi ki bamenta phi hi ya ki buun keliang ke ni ki jaka juga sol sulong ngiri ka ngila le sibun ke la ka jing kala ha ka badon na preng jong ki katu ka ningot ki bala but anti ya kani ka jing coach la le anti ani ka ya kani ka jing bu ka ba ki la bu hai ki do ak sinduk ki nyai ku play ka pangi biu ba le se kani ka jing kani ka dei nam ta ka kam ka jong phi hi nam ta ka jing mentoi ka jong phi hi but hangni pa de one bang ba pensha che ki press ba ya kani hi la le da kani ka food commissionerate of Meghalaya Shillong but nga kwa ban ongru angni bai omdai ke FSI ka ba le ni ka banta nei la le ya ni ka banta da ka food commissionerate of Meghalaya but ya ni ka FSI hi la pelong da ki food commissionerate ki da ki state ba fair but sakawi ka banta ka ba kongsan ka ba ka food commissionerate ka ba tha ai ka ba baro ki nong ti do ki de bandon ya kita ki food license ha ki dukan ki jongki nam ta ka jingbet ki jingbiang ka jongki hi
Galek ni am bedin klam ke belas dang men haka shpo terik mentau benai. Kala kut no men haka kat sau terik mentau yu benai. Haka jing isong kun bat haka jing ipu iping. Haba lawan ra ya ki rot. Ya ki belawan ra na ki dong bat isnong beper bat ya ki belashna bat pinwandur haki dur ki dar ki beper. Bat lalik no pat eki haka jaka balakot ait nara kabren hajawai.
ग्रीन वाला कौन ग्रीन भी है ग्रीन भी है ना बात
Ubak Mahendro Rapsang uberi MLA Jongka Shillong West Constituency ulapli patba ya ka monitoring room na kabentaki arpu santali ki CCTV camera ya ki belabu ha ka dong Sunny Hill ke bahak papua kani ka constituency.
Haka program ka blolong haka ni kesngi. Uba Mahendro ula airu eka check show rang ba shnong joka Sunny Hill uba Emling do.
Jongka di installation rupi kalau di 100% completion money dan ada bulan lebih pendek katanya.
Lingbak MLA scheme ubarap sang ula ai lailak sab kandai hajar South Patingka na kabenta banbu ikini ki CCTV camera kabanong ka jingsngai ni kinong shong shnong kadong borok wei habakran ha kani kasngi ubarap sang ula pentip khamtam shiki kinthei bat kilong kami jong kani kadong baon sa sedang no ka urban kitchen garden bat na kabenta kani ubarap sang ulong bakloi banyaram
haju gopor ngai kuble nukong sha ya pi kasnong ka Marfat, bagi lai support ina kati kasnang go ada kerja kata. Bagi lai ai nan junjok, kejunjok don burung. Kem mopi, enam lai junjok. Baru enam lai junjok election. Ini pibit, yang bangan job election, bangan sakriya pi pai ba, sakriya kini ki longsong sinong buruk pai. Pibit yang pila ai lai ina police bude. Nama klub kecingji untuk ngamar wegan nak job election, bang num lah ini security, bang num lah ini bani don lah lengkap tapi yang di Khubor. Kecingdan juga aku memilih kalau aku badan kam tam banyak trail lengkap pada kedua senang. Nado bangan job ni kamu ngai kedua ikut bar senang, aku ikut bar senang. Judong bok bangi kadi ke constituency dungi bagi don ke komiti jom dispo dapat. Judong bok punta ba ila long secretary ba miban. Ti ha ke jaka ni ba ban ule ba bat khamong ba senang show. Ni trail Nakapor siya po namta ka imlang salang namta ka development di yung kani constituency yung ibarok ni but kaway ko ka do pasyo is to na chu ni don ka ji trilang ka bay janta kamtam kini kis do pasyo yui kui do pasyo ni don ji ji tri ka bay janta ngana ki kai ki sing kam ji do pasyo ma ngama wan batukla ni klem ka do pasyo wan badong nga ba mi don kam kini ba mi don kam kai ba mi le ni ba mi le tai ang mga pa batukla Nre, kat makiwan nagadobras nung bang idon kam kani ngam judon ko itu aski mapin ong mga nong mga nong mamla haruk menta dalam ploy berjarap ploy ni lang bat kadobras nung nama bali kadobras nung kam tu kamhai ke judon kam manina naston ngai ko disi boleh kadobras nung bang idon ke ni tri kat ya development Afrika snong joki brokwe kini kijing kini kijing dot kam kini ki bro khoi ite ka jing dot kam hok jong ka darbar snong bat kinong snong ki baro khoi akwa ka bakti ka bakti ka sarkar nga kum ameli bat snong bat ka akwa ko yo snong kam hok ya ka ba ka belis ki amar kam di ka pisan ma kadi ka pisan ng pigi pa ka rira su tang ban yo bat kam bayar ka amar pigi do ba Gigi kiski mafiwan kay gipsi dalon naklo don kata mereka kay bungila ada subjek kay pila ay na madal na ada subjek ya mentasnem kalau ba khadu itu sedang menjadi trading ni kay malskin na mereka tu tidak subjek na gila dapat ay do
Katanat pulit jong kejala Meghalaya menhaka khatlai treatment tau benai kalau penlong ya ka conference jong ki SP bat ki OC hapok headquarters jong ka kabadan hanong basalong
Ya kini kejalang lawan beryadan lang umentri rang ba kejalau konat ke sangma ke kong Rebecca Suchang Chief Secretary kejala bad DGP ke Meghalaya Police. Umentri rang ba apa ikran bikinong thok Khubor hadin belawai kejalang ulong ba kini kejalang kala ikran haki pebun ki phang kintup ya kasuk kesan bar kiwe de kijing dan kam ketanat pulet.
We have decided that cranes and ambulances will be given to the high traffic zone districts and accident prone districts to enable them to serve the people better. So cranes in order to obviously lift the vehicles that could be were met with an accident, and ambulances to carry people in case immediate response is required and other ambulances are not there. We will give ambulances even at the police level so that immediate response can be given if and when required. We have also decided that keeping in mind that out of the 4 lakh plus vehicles that Meghalaya has, 50% of them are in East Khasi Hills, and about 70 to 80% out of these 2 lakh plus vehicles are in Shillong. So therefore there is a huge traffic congestion and issues out here. So for that we have also decided that 60 motorcycles for the overall monitoring and movement out here in order to control the traffic. The police will be given 60 additional motorcycles to be able to do all these kind of monitoring work in terms of the traffic congestion that we have. We have also been apprised that a large number of the districts and the police forces do not have sufficient accommodation. And from the records that we were shown, almost there is a dissatisfaction level. That means a large number of them, almost 70% plus, do not have proper accommodation and they have to stay in rented places. Hence, we have also started the process where on a case-to-case basis and a phase-wise manner, we will be taking up certain housing projects for the district level at constables, SI, DSP. All of them require large housing complexes. So therefore, this issue has been taken up and we will definitely be moving forward on it. Another important step that we have decided on today is that we strongly feel that the police force has been contributing immensely to the state and its people. And we strongly feel that we need to recognize them as we have been doing for many other sectors, like we have done for entrepreneurs, we do for musicians, we are doing for our different artisans. So we strongly, and sports persons, so we felt that there needs to be also this similar appreciation being shown to the police force, and hence I've decided that we will be coming out with the CM's award, the Police Medal Award, and the second will be the CM's Disaster Response Medal. So these two medals and awards are going to be given to the respected police personnel who will be selected, and we will start this from this year itself. And we strongly feel that these kind of recognitions are important to boost the morale of our police force, and also to show the appreciation of the public and the state government as a whole.
Nagbenta ban aya ka jing shakri shaupai ba bat khamtam e ban pensuk yakru kamtri jam ha ka baide bat upai ba khamtam uduk usuk nagaliang jong ka seng National People's Party nongpo block kalala ban police ndon ko office trikam ka bajanai ya ka balapen yang ha ka snong umbuda nongpo manaka si tho ding khasan treatment tau banai
yakni ka office trikam lawan ban pleru ba Clement Maulong president ke NPP Riboy District Kumukong San haka Jordan Langru ka Kong Magdalene South me Maulong ka bandai ka Kertong na Nongpo constituency haka election MLR haja Arpulai uba min makri working president ke NPP Nongpo block usamla pendap lang wa lang president ke NPYF Riboy District bar kiwe de ki he kani ka seng san perthai haka jingkran kinongelam haka ni ka sngi gila penpaw ka nongrem ban sei ka Kong Magdalene South me kum ka Kertong na ka benta ka election haja Arpulai berkata ke long ban la ban ai ke jing shikri ke bajana ai shiki paj ba kan nong po kham tam yu duk usuk bar kum juru ban wan rai ke jing kala haki ba bon kiliang kila pun pauru ba wat laki dan shibon ki jing kan tho na shane shatai hendre kum ki riu shakri kim sngo pher satya hendre ke nebe ye ke nong rim ban shakri be ban nang ai ke jing shakri ke bajana ai sho paj ba hagani ke sngi la palai dui ke jirwai jong ke seng san perthei NPP na ka benta ke election MLR haja Arpulai bala pediang dui katu ka ningur ki riu rang ba ki long kemi ki brawan berpenia so ila dia syakani ke seng hanong po circle
ban dia tu hi bang sukunat kalong ba Langsung sarong mahata meeting ba peniak nengko. Ha ka public meeting jong NPP ngelayo apan prian. Ya ki khasan spa me arajan ko di bayarung si NPP. Bat na pdeng kita ki balayarung kia don wala namla bandon lut metah ne ki bandon nang ne te ide ba stoy bat ba bisa mo. Lai ki balayarung lu masdang. Ki ba ya don metah ne ngai like nanta kamut ba laban ya don nang kam ngamut batin don na kapati kidon majority kidan don na kapati wala dang le aslo sipang kata di tiap lama bo lada piapat ya lama marui de ya tiap ka bomon ke ngri galama jo kapati te numla tiap dalil le ne ka national party ke de ka party jongari bala itu da election commission balatit kum ga party jongari umnon la tiap dong dusin di kamdon bilik lihat di kalama lihat dek kalama katawe dek kalama ini
dengan ekremen skemru bak ngakulan skemru nandang gajinya terima senda kedua basno plan dek hensiang yelo kapal perkat kebangan keren hakane kesni kebamenta ngasukan mau kendia ya keba lesi kipor kebamenshwa ngajoi ke televisionnya ngajing lekai kebangi joi hak South America mo kebangi joi don kinong lekai ba peloy ta kajing lekai shisien shisnem hak ta kashno dikata kajing lekai kalong ba ki haban kiyo yo tau thip ba kita ki lekai haban kek jingkek hadien jongki ta anda ki lakiyo ki don kinang petkai na bor arliang tiba kita kinong lekai ki kiyo ki ya lempi ki kum kinong lekai ba pentut don ki bakawang di kenjabor don ki bakawang da kaum ki batheum ti haba jakum kita ki jing jakum ki nong ile ka ki betut ki urno bakum ju ki manthap ban kiu biang nama laban ka jing kawang mau nang ni nang tai bakum ju ru ka jing pendu jing kernen ba don ru na kita ki nong petkai ba ai men sim tu pensyur ban oktor syakma compare kamlelai ru ban poi syakata ka thong jok ka jing jok ti le si habagi poi kita sa kata thong kun kinong ele atai kini ki pat ba ki ba ai men sim ki juwan ban kuduk ban ra, ban kickbox kitruang ban yora kata kanam ladu, ban shisha kata congratulations kiwe. Dukumta, na pendring dor yang kata KAKA, hakani ka benta, kani ka day, kasin jam, kabaningkong, kabaningkiw, kaskat kabaningkong, baniyo shisha ikani ka office spray kam. Ti anda ila jam kata, kaskat kabaningkong, kakardan kabaningkong benta. Buwan KAKA, kibangin sama, kajing kawang kati, kajing krenben, kajing kenok, kajing kentok, kajing wak kejat, kebabuan hukum. Henry, kum kita kinong kersan tiba iit na sobat ong yipi. Nyinom sengap, nadadon na kaya kejat. Nyinom sengap, nadadon bakawang kati. Kijudon panong, kakongma kawan balik business siya po nongpo. Kitik ya kata, ngasmo ban ong yipi. Nadon kajing kersan na yin masan. Ngam don kam bantare ya kadot kangak kajong pihi patba kinong song. Ngam don kam bantare ya kaskim. But kita kena men kita pair. Kan mau mulai, kum kalong kami dengan yang scam dengan yang slur. Ban syakri, ya ki kup shiliang kisan shiliang. Ja ki lanot ki jenjar. Minwengi kata kajing pair jat beliau. Kajing pair party. Kajing pair nyang. Kebar rong shisha. Hakini kisni ki bamenta.
Kasnom madan ruting kalong ka census town ka beningkong lani ka banyo ama ningkong yagi jingmentoy ki belawan naga scheme Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme MGNREGS lani ka scheme she's passing.
Kajing yo jong kamadan ruting banyo lang no nang nish khamat igi jingmentoy jaga scheme she's passing kadai de kajia khun bor ba menteri rang ba ka jalao kon ki sangma banyakran bat ka sarkar breng namar kita ki jaka kim jiyo igi jingmentoy ni ki scheme penroy na katrat penroy sor limne na katrat penroy nong kendong kumta na kaliang OMLA kathan kum gadak banlek men halor kate ki jingsha kan thup lang ha ka scheme chi spas ngi ha ka khan ru terek mentau banai ula pleru yo mau sa nam ha ka jelang kabla long hamadan ruting ha ka ni ka sngi lai don lang na du MDC kathan yo balak te blang khar kongor ka deputy commissioner ji East Khasi Hills district ka kong ai lalu ki block development officer khamtam kinong lam shnong habakran hakani ka sngi ba lam bor mal ngiang ulong makani ka scheme kan pin kala dor ka shnong ka thau but kumjuru ki kam pan roi ki ban ai jem toy hagi yeng ki sam
ba kani kabang yo banwan ra kam dei tangam ta ban snai grati singen kamut bangin kut tang ha ka ban snai ki top banyo ki breu ki pat ba nong song shnong hanrei kabang kham so tanat kalong ba philayo ban balla nasnong hasnong amdon kam ban mi sapar phayo banyatre minot hapotong haposnong jongphi
Khubor sipai ka Assam Rifles Light Corps menaka ka South Treatment tau benai kala ais ngo bha da kamadan basketball bat da kamadan yelek kai badminton shaka nongkrem Youth Development Association NYDA
Yakini ki madan yele kai la ais ngo bha ka jelang kabla long hanong krem ha ka blai dan lang ru kinong kit kam chak NYDA kinong kit kam shnong ka dor bar nong krem ki sipai Assam Rifles ki samla bar kinong shong shnong ha bakran ha ni ka jelang u Colonel B Vijay Kumar u belong commandant chak Assam Rifles bar ukong san jakani ka jelang ulapan pau ka jingsko kmen balala pan ai kini ki madan yele kai chak shnong ka banlong ka jerap iki samla bakindang pentebet chu shu ha ki sab yele kai bakidon ulong ru banalor kini ki madan na kaliang ka Assam Rifles kan pensioner ru ka open air gym ka ba ka jinglot kan long kuma saulak tingka ha ki ju ka por ula kula ru bokin pej ikilar kilenti ban penkala no ka kerteng chak Assam Rifles Light Corps chak Assam Rifles nongkrem
I hope this both the courts will come in good way to improve your skill in badminton and basketball. Like Mr. Chairman said, the name of Light Corps should be changed to Nongrim Village. I am very new to the present appointment, so it will take some time for me to firstly understand why it is Light Corps, why can't it be Nongrim. But definitely, I will try my best to change the name to Nongrim. But I don't know the formalities. Let me study the case first. One more thing, during this financial year, one more project has been sanctioned to the village, that is open air gym. So the chairman, it is for about 4 lakh rupees. So what I request the chairman to identify a suitable location where it can be established and what all items the villagers required to establish the open air gym. It is for about 4 lakh rupees.
that we will be doing in the current financial year. Once we complete that project, then we can take on the next project of solar lights, additional solar lights, like the chairman has requested. And I am promising that Assam Rifle all will be here to support you people.
Haswabangin penkut impit ngobiang shapi ki pangki bokongsan sa shisien. Prasnam hakabor Henry Dr. Mukul Shimle ai ong menteri rangba konrad sangma. Wengno ke MEECL yaka load shedding. One toket menteri kena yaki skul sarkar pedeng kum ka aspirational district. Doi ke hybrid yala ka jingim mensau arnut ki weipat. Sedang sakinohi kai SSA banyaki bandawa yaka tulap kabalasa san benai. Dawa penkut mador ka CORP yagi jakliar bala shubret pathar hadot ke surat ba National Highway 6. Shongkun kaleniam beding klam mintagasnem. Penlongi jingalang halor ban pilklan ya katnat kulit hakbabun bintang. Badai kitugin penkut noi kini katuk Khubor jang kini Taiew mentah ngin siya siyam yang malpi baro hakatai kuipat ka Taiew ke Banwan kubli pi baro batiasa.